If you work with blueprints in Unreal, then you know how it goes. You start building a blueprint, start with a logic, modifying nodes, cleaning things up, and suddenly it takes a lot of time than you have expected. So, I found a plugin called Blueprint AI that can help us make blueprints, adding logic, modifying them just in few clicks, and we can just command this AI and it will do everything by itself. So in this video, I will show you how to use Blueprint AI and how we can create real useful blueprints with this tool. So first, go to your favorite browser and then go to this website. I will provide the link in the video description, and here just click on get started, create your account and then log in. Here we have one purchase I made. So just go to downloads. Here we have Blueprint AI plugin. I am going to use Unreal Engine 5.7, so I will click on download. If you see here, I already downloaded it just a few minutes back. So just click on download, choose the version you want, and then so here I will choose the third person. I will name my project as Blueprint AI. So first go to manage plugins. Here I will search for Blueprint AI and then I will click on yes and restart. It is enabled. Now go to window and here we have Blueprint AI window. Just open it and here we have it. And we can dock it anywhere in the layout. To use Blueprint AI, first we have to connect it to a AI agent. So in my case, I'm using Codex CLI, but if you prefer Claude CLI or Gemini, you can just click on install and then it will install that agent for you. And the model is going to use default model, and let's just start. So I am using GPT 5.3 Codex version. You can choose 5.2, but 5.3 is of course going to be the better because it is the newest version. So when I said hello, it asked me like, how can I help you with your Unreal project? So I'm going to ask him, change my sky color to dark blue. So let's see how it's going to change it. Keep in mind guys, this tool don't give you instructions, but it will do everything for you. So now you can see the sky is changed into dark blue. Now it asks us if you want even darker night-like. It can tweak the values quickly. Let's see if it can done it in seconds. Now it will change the intensity in directional light and skylights, which is really better. Now as you can see, the sky is looking like, it added stars and all. Now I will ask it, make a game start menu with buttons with four buttons. The buttons are start, new game, or I will set it to new game. The other one is load thing. This is good enough. Let's see if it can make it. It created the new folder called UI, and here we will, I think it is going to create our menu in here. It says main menu, new game, load game, settings, and we can compile it, and the menu looks fine. The corners are round. We can also tell it to add a background, but since I don't have any background for a game or something for right now, and it actually done a pretty good job in this. So now this is done. For example, now let me show you one more thing. Here I have a basic blueprint to create sequence for my levels. If I open it, here I just have 3 nodes, and here I have a editor utility widget. I think most of the people and creators knows about it. So let me show you what it does. So if I open it, here I have a button called add sequence. If I click on add sequence, it created a sequence for my level, right? So what I am going to do is I will ask Blueprint AI to modify it. So I will ask. First, I will say hello as usual. Let's waste some credits on it. I don't know. It's going to waste credit, and so now let's start. Let's start a prompt. I will have to tell it where it is. So, for example, can you make a change to my blueprint inside one click setup named BP1 click util, not the plus but the underscore. This blueprint add a level sequence. All you have, I'm just going to tell it, all it has to do is just add a cine camera when it adds sequence to the level. Modify the blueprint to okay, so I gave it a prompt. Now we will wait for it to modify this blueprint. Now it is cine camera actor named as short cam. So if you face any errors, you can tell the blueprint AI, so it can fix all those errors. And the tool is extremely amazing. I prefer it to use it for my future videos, my future projects, because it is saving a lot of time. That's the whole reason to use it. Alright, so this was Blueprint AI, and honestly, this is just scratching the surface of what this tool can do. And in this video, you saw how it can create blueprints, generate materials, and even modify your existing blueprints directly inside Unreal Engine. If you want to try, and before checkout, make sure to use discount code TOUGH to get 5% off. And this is just one-time purchase. You don't have to get the subscription or anything for this tool, and you will be getting updates every now and then. And thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.